This BMW is finished. We did some spacers on this car. We also did a tune on this car. It's much more responsive now. Car drives better. Obviously there's more power now. Customer's happy. We just took it for a test drive and he's about to take it home right now.
So you guys remember on the previous episode, Aventador Pirelli edition with a mirror hanging off. Sarkis was trying to tape it back. Well, we ordered the mirror from Lamborghini, so that's coming. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and start tearing this car apart and do the wrap on it. So it's going from yellow to satin pearl white. We're gonna be doing door jambs, everything. We're also gonna be leaving all the Pirelli edition stripes, all that stuff. So stay tuned, check it out. Aventador Pirelli edition color change. This is our good buddy Alejandro, his AMG GTR. We're gonna do a crazy Red Bull themed wrap on this thing. It's gonna be a full color change with lots of graphics. I'm not gonna show you guys what it is yet. We're gonna show you guys the reveal later. But for now, we just got it in. He stopped by, got his car. So back to work with Alejandro. You guys are gonna see a lot more, so stay tuned for that. Also, you're gonna notice what I'm wearing. This is our new, basically athletic outfit. It's hot in LA. We love wearing shorts, tees, so why not do both matching? You'll see the t-shirt right here, RDBLA Auto Shop 2019. And then you'll see the shorts, has the same logo on there with this white on the side. So this is meant for athletics. This has an inner liner, so you don't have to wear underwear if you don't want. Super breathable, so you can go running, do whatever you want in them. Really comfortable, crazy comfortable, lightweight, everything. These are limited, we don't have too many of them, but they are on the site. You could buy them together, you could buy them individually if you'd like. Go online right now, rdbla.com, get your size.
Vic cut his arm really bad, extremely bad. I mean, terrible. I'm going to the liquor store to see what they have, so we can have it cured very fast. Where's all your first aid kit? We need first aid kit. What? Ointment, this is it. This is what he wants. Okay. And this is actually the only one that they have, I swear. Oh, shit. Macy's card, wrong card. I don't think this is gonna do much, but this is all we have to work with for now. This is it.
Thanks so much. So one issue with working at a car shop and you're very hands-on is you get injured. So basically, as you can see here, I was walking in the back, there was a door completely open, bare door that we were changing on a car. I wasn't paying attention and I walked right past by it and it literally just cut my arm. I wiped it down right now. I'm gonna Neosporin this up. This is one of my best friends. It's not an ad. It's kind of in a weird spot, but yeah, I'm gonna fill this up and kind of put it here and tape it up somehow and call it a day. All right, so we got Offset's G Wagon 4x4 squared right here. We didn't do this car, it came from Atlanta, I believe. This wheel, every time it was spinning, it was making a crazy metal noise. So we took it off and we noticed there was a little bolt from the cap inside broken, and every time it would spin, it would just rotate. So that was the noise. We took it off, fixed it real fast. We're gonna give it back to him, and another day at RDB. Alright guys, we're in the spray booth again. We're with the 4x4 convertible. Now this is another stage of paint. Right here you see the blue paint, the factory blue paint getting sanded. So it's all sanded, ready to go. A lot of it's being masked out. There's gonna be more masking occurring, so we're waiting for that. But then we're gonna shoot all of this outside white. The doors are on. We're still missing the flares, the bumpers, stuff like that. That's gonna be the next phase. But for now, we're gonna paint the whole exterior, the white color. The jams are already painted white, so inside is all white already. We're gonna show you guys this thing getting painted, and after that, we're gonna do the rest of the process, and we're another step closer to this 4x4 convertible. Fully outside white. As you guys can see, we did the inside and then the inside of the parts, and now the outside. Still has a bunch of stuff missing. The next phase is to put it back together. So see it in white like this right now, looks amazing. Next phases are coming up. All right guys, welcome to an episode Kicks with Vic. We haven't done this for a few episodes. We're bringing it back. We're not gonna do it as often, but few times a month or something we're gonna do it. A lot of people are asking where's Kicks with Vic, so let's do this. These are OG Louis Vuitton boxes. I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. Very special, very expensive pair of sneakers. Now I wear all my stuff. I don't do this for collectors, I don't do it for resale, whatever. All right, so a lot of you guys are gonna know what this is, and a lot of guys are not gonna know. Louis Vuitton Kanye West collabs. These are the gray with white pairs. I think these, I mean, if they were in decent condition, probably go for around 2,500, 3 grand. Same style of shoe, Louis Vuitton Kanye West. This is, I forget what they call this colorway, but it's got the purple suede, pink, tan. It's got these crazy laces, as you could see. Again, I wore them. Really crazy shoes. These things, like I said, they go for about 5 grand right now. I'll show you guys both of them together. Pretty crazy to see this. All right guys, so you see our new athletic apparel. We got the team right here with Moses, Sarkis, Christo, and me. Sarkis is leaving us for 2 weeks. He's going to Armenia to get married, so he wanted to get into shape a little bit, so that's what inspired this. Moses and Sarkis are battling about who's faster. Sarkis is a little bit heavier, so we're gonna give him a little head start. We know Moses is fast already. You guys have seen that before. So we're gonna put them head to head right now and see who's faster.
Sarkis is pretty, he's a little bit heavier, but he's still strong. So, but I think my weight advantage might help me.
Come on!